Don't say that you don't act like you did nothing wrong.
Nothing wrong. Of course I did nothing wrong. I
Never
told you
do.
that you talk too much shit, you know. You look like you are, what the hell do you think that you are?
Listening.
Listening.
Listening. That's all I'm
No,
doing.
listening.
You're
I don't
yelling.
care.
You're yelling.
Tell all your friends whatever you want.
I'm not gonna tell your friends. No, instead I'm gonna be.
Think about you or your friends, whatever.
Has nothing to do with my friends. Has nothing to do with my friends. Keep talking.
No, because, no. I don't care what the hell you're doing. You know what? You're disgusting, really.
Yeah,
You
no,
think that you
because-
are smart and you are disgusting. That's what you are.
Really?
You know, yeah,
Keep going.
that's what you are.
Keep going.
That's what you
Keep
are.
going. Pop, I happen to
You're
love
going
you.
nothing.
I love you. You're my
It's
father.
nothing. I don't care.
Yeah,
You
but
don't
this-
have to love me. I don't need your love.
Okay, keep going. I just want to let you know.
So, I can't even talk with you, bro. Yo, give a little background on the Men in Playhouse, when it started, who's in the group, you know, all that good stuff, you know.
There was many renditions of Abandoned Playhouse. It's all a big sob story. We all got it. You know what I'm saying?
Some things just aren't meant to be mentioned. Is it a sin of pride?
I feel I bleed when I visit with my need for reminiscing, reopen the old wounds, prove to a plea for forgiveness. Isn't me a ridiculous situations as a sinks, Titanic ramblings a man on the ledge or on the brink. I would think of better days, thinking positive on purpose, but with negative sent the ways you could tell I had a surplus. Soul search if I was lurking, trying to surface the truth. Appreciate every moment, time coaxes the broken youth. The good times were they for nothing, the further setup is worthless. A blinded reminder of the times go lines of my searches. The family's loved and lost, my cross to bear is minute compared to life that's more. I'm just the cause without roots, families breaking their placement, facing destabilization. We're all suffering from something, death's table say graces. Characters may lay in changes, but hatred is sacred. Hold love, toughest grudges, sign my life away faceless. To exist, living in memories, abused and amusement. Remember the better things through melodies and music. Nostalgia through a sentence, words can uplift. Awaken in reality, swearing the presence no gift.
This life is a joke. Well, it's not. Shit is as real as a bullet.
Lost in my misery, physically stricken, sick of the symmetry. Mentally losing my wind, but eruption and mimicry. Wizardry specifically blinding me visually, figuratively inhibiting, sitting in vivid epiphany. Ritually alone, zoned in tomes of friendships I had. Literally ODing on better days, silly straight for the fad. Flashback, intact track, reason I write this. Abandoned by fam, but staying grand just to spite this. Entice the card pile if I lose the brew and pop. Walk hard on the mile while holding on my dewy hot. To the lost that's lost, cross forth the path of righteous. Ignore all flaws while drinking like a Dionysus. Leonidas, Midas, heart inviting call to arms. The spice is tired, tiring, full of knowing better days are gone. Living in memories, abused and amusement. Remember the better things through melodies and music. Nostalgia through a sentence, words can uplift. Awaken in reality, swearing the presence no gift.
Oh man, life is broken. Life is a mere dream. Better yet, paradise lost.
With the strength of a memory. Lost in my misery. Lost in my misery.
You don't like honesty. And you don't like yourself.